It's example 3, oblique cabinet. So I'm going to start off using my line command, and I copied in the front view, this portion of the front view of the standard order of views to start my drawing. You can see that plane right here. All of my depth lines are going to be cut in half, which means the dimension of 2 for a depth here, say, will be cut to 1. So my depth here would be 1. See, I'm at a 45-degree angle. My heights and my widths will stay the same. I go up 4 units and then lock onto this endpoint to complete this plane. I'll have a width of 2 and then a height of 4 here, and then lock that endpoint in to create this plane. Now in the profile plane, I'm going to be going back at a 45-degree angle, 2 units, or excuse me, undo that. It's going to be 1 unit because it's half depth. The height will remain 4, and I'll just lock into that endpoint. Now across the back here, that's a width line, so it's going to be 6. On this line right here, it's a depth line, so I'm going to be going 45-degree angle, half the depth, which is 1. This will be a 2 because it's a width line. Click onto that endpoint there. This is the height line here, and then there's a depth line right there, so I'm going to go height of 2. And this line is going to be 1 unit long, but the only thing I have to do is just click on that endpoint. The last thing is just click on here. I'm going to create a line that's going to go across for a width to that intersection. And there you go. You have your oblique cabinet, half depth for example 3.